Jatend duond bura mar United Green Movement David Maraga oseobila kuom siko tiyo kod iro malungo wang' kuom josiasa maketo piny owacho tesre. Kolose kinde limbe mare kaunti ma Meru, Maraga koni osiro lwedo kweth maketo piny owacho tesre dwaro duoko kuwuok kuom ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja. E gimomiyo obila siko waro chorombe mag kweth masiemo wang' piny owacho. Maraga bende nyiso luoro kaluwore kod romo omedore pacho ka koni piny owacho pok oketo maino mathiro oro ma kinde ka kinde.
Thank you very much.
I'd like to give a chance to one or two young people to speak.
We need to know where you stand in this thing so that you're not. Good morning.
Is it yesterday or the day before? We saw the tear gassing in Kitengela. What was the cause? Those people were having a peaceful meeting. There was no cause whatsoever. There was no breach of peace whatsoever. The government has just panicked, and that tells you what is happening. I stand firmly with the united opposition in condemning the tear gassing of gatherings, the tear gassing particularly of churches. Today, I know the leaders of united opposition are going to the IG's office to demand prosecution because nothing has been done of those who were involved in the tear gassing of the church. I would have actually joined them in Nairobi, and I had said that if they are going to hold any demonstrations, I would join them.